of all, I welcome you all to this iconic, this beautiful and memorable evening which is happening here, which is brought to you by your beautiful organization, which is Moback. Give a big round of applause to yourselves. So this is definitely a historic evening because this is the first ever hackathon which has been brought to you by your organization. It's called Mohack 23. So once again, give a big round of applause to yourselves, guys. So I had no idea about technology and stuff until recently. I got an opportunity to go to San Francisco to host an event for Google, and yeah, you can clap on that if you want to. So that's where I learned about technology, hackathons, etc., etc. And I was always curious, how has that organization become so big globally? Like they've definitely revolutionized the way how technology is consumed and used as well. So they do a ritual every single time they have something like this. So I thought, why not we implement that here as well, so that this also becomes very memorable for all of us. So it's a very simple and a sacred ritual of sorts. So I want you to pay attention on this. So let's do it. Are we doing it? Yes or no? Yes. Yes. So please take your right hands up, everyone. It's very, very serious. So I want you to take it seriously. Now I want you to place the hand on the lap of the person sitting next to you. Next to you. Yes. It's like you should be able to completely place your hand. Yes. Now I want you to gently squeeze it and whisper in the ears that we'll have a great time tonight. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my name is FAYAZ and you have no other choice but to love me, to tolerate me for the rest of the evening. But I'll make sure that it becomes informative and entertaining at the same time. So once again, give a big round of applause to yourselves. You're here witnessing the first ever Mohack 23. So since I'm from radio, my name also suggests that. So I thought, why not we make something musical for this evening, so that it eventually becomes like our jingle. So once again, I would like to request everyone, please take your right hands up. Don't worry, it's not going on anybody's lap this time. And do this with me. Very good, very good. Is this reminding you of Kuch Kuch Hota Hai by any chance? Alright, so now we'll create a jingle. Keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it. Nobody stops. Take it? So now follow my lead, follow my instructions and just let's go with the flow. 1, 2, 3, 4. When I say more, you say back. More. More. When I say more, you say back. More. More. When I say more back, you clap once. More back. More back. When I say more back, you clap once. More back. More back. When I say more hack, you clap twice. More hack. More hack. Alright, give a big round of applause for yourselves. Okay, we've got a great start. So the ones who are joining us from the live stream, let me introduce about the organization. So Moback is an 11-year-old organization. We are operating out of 2 countries, which is India and USA. In India, we are operating out of Bangalore. In USA, we are in California, the same place where, San Francisco. Yes, California. So I, by the way, did not go to Google's office. I was just messing that up. I hope you guys understand. So now, basically about our organization, we focus more on AR and VR technologies, and hackathons historically have been very, very integral for an organization's growth, any organization. So giving you some of the biggest examples, the products, the services, the ideas that come out of hackathons definitely eventually become a feature of some of the biggest organizations as well. For example, we all use Facebook, we all probably don't use it that much, but then we are aware about Facebook, right? So Facebook has introduced so many features over a period of time. One of the key features of Facebook is the Facebook Live and the Facebook's feature of letting you log in with the mobile number. But do you know that this thing was because of a hackathon that Facebook did, and because of one of the features given by one of the employees there, this eventually became a product feature. So the contributions that even you will be giving here tonight might end up becoming something very, very important. So give a big round of applause for yourselves, because I know you've been working very hard on this. Technically, मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ. Actually, I'm a BCom graduate, but I've completed my BCom in 4 years, which means that I'm no less than an engineer. So I'll probably understand a lot of things that will be discussed here tonight. Let's give a big round of applause for our judges, everyone. The applause should be louder because the judges are eventually going to judge you. So once again, give a big round of applause for your judges. your device definitely looks very interesting. And it also reminds me of my engineering mavericks that I've done at my home. So whenever the TV used to not work properly, so the simple thing that I used to do is that I used to switch it off and switch it on. It used to magically start working, and everyone in my family used to think, "Arey, bacha bada hoke engineer banega." But then I disappointed them greatly in life. Even the local news, the media houses, like I worked in radio, so even we used to consume content about the city from platforms like Twitter, Facebook, etc. You know, like a BBMP commissioner might tweet something, the electricity thing might happen tomorrow, or maybe if there's some accident somewhere, or maybe some pothole somewhere. So media houses also consume content from Twitter and other platforms. So that's one aspect of it.
How many of you are scrolling Instagram every day? On whenever you get a break. See the guys, see, they're raising their hands, man. This is the change what we want to bring it up. So in just 5 minutes, right? When we get 5 minutes break, instead of like listening it, keep on scrolling it. Instead of scrolling all the data what we want, let's scroll the data what we have it in our local. What's happening in our local.
That is subjective. Depends on your interest, right? I'm not trying to cut your wings here. I just try to add the input. Yes, thank you so much. The amazing team, Windscreen Vipers. Let's give a big round of applause for them. Because they literally had the balls to try something different, and we all enjoyed their performance. So let's give a big round of applause for them. So it was very creative, very innovative, and very interesting at the same time. And with that, we have come to the conclusion of this iconic evening. Let's once again give a big round of applause for ourselves, that we powered through it, we learned something interesting, and we have survived the entire process. We'll move towards the presentation ceremony, where our judges will give their verdict, which team is going to take home the title, and we also will have the felicitation, and also we'll get to know something more about the conclusion of this event. This is a great exercise because you also will develop so many skills within yourself. You'll have problem solving skills. You'll develop your own researching skills. You'll probably improve or learn about something new and different, which probably is not something that you do on a day-to-day basis. You'll research a lot about competition, existing products, etc., which is great, very good. But I think the best part was that every single one of you came up with a different problem, and you also had a solution for it, which is great, which is something that is commendable. So give a big round of applause for yourselves. I've got to know that you were working on this after your office hours. Maybe some of you were working on the weekends, or maybe after you log out. So which is great, which is commendable, because I come from the school of thought ki if my work is done, I leave. Some of us are like the physical books ones. Some of us are the Kindle ones. Others want to listen to audiobooks. Okay. Shit. Did I dig my grave? Okay, yeah.
What is the difference you saw when it is physical book and Kindle?
First of all, I don't have a Kindle. But I know. I mean, I understand what you're saying. Ki matlab, if you have to read a PDF or if you have to read a physical book, which is better. Physical book is much better because you can also keep things in between. Like you can keep a rose, maybe you can keep money, etc. in between, right? And also you can, matlab uska feel alag hai na, ma'am, like physical. As sir told, you have to pitch yourself, sell yourself. Again and again and again. The moment that we all were waiting for is finally here, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. The second runners-up of the hackathon, which is brought to you by Moback. First edition of the year 23. The second runners-up team is Digital Disruptors. And they take home the oh my God! 25,000 rupees ka grand prize. Let's give a bigger round of applause. Come on. You're very much into crypto. So have you made like a lot of money in crypto, or have you lost a lot of money that you like kahin se to bhi recover karne ka hai?
Budget, no. We all go to the blockchain technology. So everyone is thinking about the crypto only.
But great, yeah, great. I think even though you might have lost some money in crypto, but you today have won something. So let's give a big round of applause for this team. Yes, thank you so much, guys. You can please settle down. Yes, please come forward. अरे बाप रे बाप, 40,000 रुपए का grand prize. Street hackers, congratulations. Okay, thank you. How are you guys feeling? Are you happy?
We don't know what is our feelings, and we are not believing this one. And thank you everyone for supporting us. Thank you.
Okay. Woo! And the winner is the team, the Debug Squad. Woo! Yes, congratulations. अरे बाप रे बाप, 60,000 रुपए का ग्रैंड प्राइज. इस धनराशि का क्या करेंगे आप लोग?
Investing.
Congratulations, guys. You worked very hard. Thank you so much. You're very passionate, ambitious about this idea. Thank you so much. All the best. You can please settle down. Thank you. Okay, and now comes the most ambitious, most anticipated, and the most amazing award of them all, the Audience Choice Award for the Moback Hackathon. And the winning team is Team Digital Disruptors. अरे डबल धमाका हो गया यार, वाह 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 वाह. Congratulations, guys. You worked very hard. All of you have worked very hard. I think we should definitely not look at just the winners. So let's give a bigger and a louder round of applause for every single one out here who's worked extremely hard. So none of your efforts are going to go waste. Some or the other way, this entire experience is going to be of some use for you. Alright, so thank you so much, guys, for watching this video till the end. I hope you all enjoyed and learned something new as much as I enjoyed hosting this event. This was the first time I did a hackathon of sorts. So it was quite an overwhelming experience for me too, because I got to learn something new and interesting. And I always introduce myself as an engineer because I believe that I'm no less than an engineer, as I've completed my BCom in 4 years. So with that, I think it's enough for us to absorb the information that we've got in this video. If at all you like this video, if at all you found this interesting, make sure you like it. And if at all your organization is planning to conduct something like this, don't forget to invite me to curate and moderate this entire process. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.